in terms of handling the Supabase side of code them itself rather than asking us to go to Supabase and do some changes. There are still two ways in Supabase also. It takes AI input directly. So if you're not able to do certain things by Lovable, in Supabase as well, it can be done. But what I personally prefer is using ChatGPT. I have built out for myself a no-code builder as well, which gives me prompts step by step for building front end, back end, and everything. That prompt builder basically gives me the final output or the code snippet I want to give to Lovable in case of a complex setup. If I'm only doing authentication or connecting to OpenAI APIs or building basic user profiling and everything, Lovable handles it perfectly. But if you want to do more complex stuff where you're building more agentic workflows, Lovable cannot do that directly. So at that point, you require hands-on help with either something like a ChatGPT, or you would build an agentic flow in n8n and then connect that to Lovable and Supabase.
Got it. And Palash, have you used tools like Replets that have more like backend built in as a native function? Like, how would you compare that with using Lovable and connected with a third-party database? Like, which one would be easier to use for building a backend, like an end-to-end product?
So Replit in that sense is very advanced compared to Lovable when it comes to backend customization. I think it is one of the best in the industry right now if you're looking for more complex apps and a holistic app. And like I was saying at the start, the only limitation I found with Replit was the UI element is not that great looking. So I prefer to do that more for SaaS or personal software tools. But definitely those things can be fixed if you can take the Replit code from there to GitHub and change the UI accordingly. But if you're looking for a very heavy backend server-side capability, Replit would be the way to go, not Lovable. So the journey would be learn the basics on Lovable and advance to Replit so that you can understand that interface and how to go about it.
Yeah, I was thinking about combining both, meaning like you create a UI either Notes or Lovable and then export the code and then write it.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
Got it. Thank you.
Okay.
Chandan has a question.